Yeah.
We're paying. I already started.
Oh my gosh!
Start it over! Oh my god!
Okay, so we're paying Megan $1 to eat a tissue. Cause she said she would. Will you give me $1 if I eat this tissue? So
we are going. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, let's eat the whole okay, Megan, let's watch you eat it.
You can peel it apart if you want.
No, no,
just eat the whole thing if you.
Oh, sweet.
My drool just like it's dry. It's the last one. I'm gonna choke. Oh my god. Swallow.
I'm gonna choke. Do you want me to choke?
Maybe.
I'm gonna spray.
We're gonna spray it for her to help her get it down.
You want it? Show everyone your mouth.
Oh my god!
Oh, it's through my throat. Don't choke. Don't choke. Drink. I don't want to give you the Heimlich.
Yeah, because I don't exactly know.
Okay, I'm good. Neither do I.
But
it's like you, as long as if you break a rib, then you know you did it right.
Okay, let me go get Megan salt.
Oh yeah, okay. Okay. Wait, if it doesn't stay in my stomach, do you get the $1 back? Yeah. Either that or you go to the bathroom.
You go shit. Megan. Should I eat this too?
What's she doing? Oh my god.
Oh my god. Like, I can do it too. Let me.
Alright, goodbye everyone.